Hey everyone, welcome back to Unikaksha's YouTube channel. This is Ashwini from Unikaksha. Friends, today I'm going to discuss with you about why and how automation testing is important and how it is widely used everywhere nowadays. So let's get started and understand what are the benefits of using automation testing. Now, before that, let's have a look on what exactly is the automation testing. So, testing is nothing but testing is the process of checking any kind of bugs or errors are there in your software or not. And in this particular process, you are going to check whether your software is meeting the requirements or not. So the testing can be broadly divided into two categories. One is called as automation testing and second is called as a manual testing. So the manual testing is nothing but the testing which can be performed by a team or a person. So manually the test cases can be written and all the process can be handled manually. The second, as name indicates, is automation testing. It is considered as a testing which can be handled by machine by using the number of testing tools. So in case of automation testing, you can use open source or paid automation testing tools as well to test the software applications easily and efficiently. And here 24/7 the test cases can be executed without any kind of human interaction. So that's why it is considered as automation testing. When you are going to use the test automation, then you can execute thousands of test cases and which are big or varied test cases, and which is not possible in case of manual testing or somewhat difficult in case of manual testing. So it is going to increase the software quality by applying number of test cases on the software. Now let's move to today's topic, that is benefits of automation testing. So as name indicates, it is going to work or can be, the test cases can be executed 24/7 by using a specific software automation tool. In the market, there are so many software automation tools are available. Some are freely available and some are paid automation tools as well. Selenium is the best example of automation testing. Whenever we are using automation testing, then what kind of benefits it is going to provide? So the very first benefit is, as it is used for 24/7 testing, so it is going to run the test cases continuously 24 hours. It can work on that. As machine or tools are involved here, no manual testing is involved, so that's why automatically the test coverage can be increased. So because more scripts can be tested at the same time, it is going to help you to save lots of time and decrease the load on the manual tester. Because if a manual tester is working on a particular test, then simultaneously he cannot work on n number of test cases. But in case of automation testing, you can run n number of scripts at the same time, as machine is going to work for that, and the tasks are going to be executed automatically. Once you have created the scripts, then the same scripts can be reused, or the same scripts can be executed multiple times as and when they are required. The second benefit of using automation testing is it increases the accuracy. So as it is automated testing, so we are going to run repetitive tests, or we can execute the test 24/7. So automatically it increases the accuracy, because number of test cases in executed uh, according to the time concerned. So it is definitely at an increased perspective as we are comparing it with the manual testing. So in case of automation testing, the repetitive tests can be performed with the same precision, and it definitely will help you to increase the accuracy of the product as well as accuracy of the test cases, because once you have written the test cases and once you have uploaded that particular batch file or scripts, then the same script will be applied on the number of inputs or the data which you are going to use for checking purpose, that is for testing purpose. So it will increasing the accuracy as compared to the manual testing. It is going to save the cost and time. So when you are going to use the automation testing, then the test cases can run faster with a very faster speed, and the bugs can be easily identified at the earlier stage, exactly in the development cycle, and it can be fixed easily, because if the bug occurs at the earlier stage, then it will be easily fixed and it can be easily handled. So now what you have to do with this? So in case of automation testing, once you have set you have done with the setup of automated framework, then there is overall reduction in the costs, because once you have done with the setup, then automatically everything will be executed. And here, if we are comparing it with the manual testing, then the person who is handling manual testing, it is difficult for him to handle the test cases 24/7. But as it is a machine, so it can be work continuously. Definitely, it will save your cost. In case of automated testing, we can automate the manual scripts and regression testing as well. So testing time will be reduced. Next thing is, it can performs the tasks that cannot be done by manual testers. So for example, web application testing, which involves again 24 hours testing. So these kind of test cases can be handled and simulated with the automation testing, but it cannot be performed by the manual testers very easily, or it is very difficult for them to handle it. Next and most important benefit of automation testing is reusability of the test scripts. So in case of automation testing, we can reuse the same scripts again and again with minor changes. So here, the tests can be automatically executed when the source code changes and notify the testers of any issue. So it means automatically the similar match can be found and can be executed simultaneously. So it is very beneficial for the testers as well as developers. So all these are the benefits of automation testing. I hope you understood the importance of automation testing along with their benefits it is going to provide. There are lots of techniques for perform the automation testing as well as manual testing. Number of tools are available in the market to perform the automation testing. The thing is, you just have to install and use that particular tool on your machine. It can be freely available or it can be paid automation tools as well. Depending on the need of your software and depending on the need of testing, you can choose any of the testing tools. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned with us at Unikaksha. Till then, thank you so much.